Hello everyone, I am Varun and welcome to Earth and Rasoi. Let's go into the video. First we will peel all the potatoes and parboil them. Before boiling it, we should make sure that every potato is been scooped inside so that we can stuff our stuffing. And while parboiling it, please make sure you add a pinch of salt and turmeric so that it adds color to the potatoes. First we will heat up our kadai, then we will add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Where we will wait for 15 to 20 seconds so that the oil gets heated up, and then we will start our tempering or the masala for the stuffed potatoes. Alright, the oil is hot now. Now we will start shallow frying our potatoes. Make sure your fire flame is on the medium side so that the potato does not get burnt. If you can see, I have just parboiled the potatoes and it has got an excellent color of turmeric, where it will elevate the dish once it's completed. So it will be very eye appealing when you serve this, as the potato looks similar to eggs, but yes, it looks delicious. So after adding the potatoes, we will cover it and then we will start cooking it. So we will try and turn the potatoes every 2 minutes so that all the sides gets evenly cooked and it gets an excellent color. So now we have cooked it for almost 20 minutes and we have shallow fried it. So it is perfectly cooked and the color has also come very well, and that's how the color has to be. So you should have some patience to cook it, as it needs a good 20 minutes to cook. So now we will start making the masala for our stuffed potatoes. So first we will add kasuri methi. Then we will add some onion. So I have taken 2 big onions and I have finely chopped them. So we will let the onion cook for a couple of minutes in a medium fire. So now our onion is ready. So we will add some cottage cheese to it. So this is a grated cottage cheese, a fresh one, homemade. So next we will add some salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. One tablespoon of turmeric powder. One tablespoon chili powder. And we will add some dhania powder, a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of garam masala and jeera. We'll keep stirring it well. After a couple of minutes, we will add some ginger garlic paste, around 2 tablespoons. We'll make sure that it comes to a very good color and it's well cooked, so that we can make some nice stuffing. So after cooking it for almost 10 minutes, now our masala is ready. So we will allow a couple of minutes so that the masala gets cooled down, and we will start stuffing it into the potatoes. So now the masala is ready and it's cooled down, so now we will start stuffing it. Make sure you take a small teaspoon so that the masala gets stuffed very well into the potatoes, so that our gravy comes out well. So now we will start making our gravy. So first we have added 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. So the oil is ready now, and we will add some freshly pureed tomatoes. I have taken two tomatoes, as we have a very less number of potatoes, so 2 tomatoes would be fine to make our gravy. Then we will add salt as per your taste. Then some chili powder. Then ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So we will stir it well and let it cook for a while. So now our gravy is almost ready and it's cooked well. So now we will add some 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. So since this dish is a key ingredient is paneer, so we have added some cream to it, so that it adds more richness to it, and the gravy ends up very well. If you can see, the rich flavor of the gravy has already come up, and the gravy is just yum. So now the gravy is ready. So we will add all our stuffed potatoes, which we have stuffed and kept ready. And we will stir them well. So now we will cover it and cook for a minute. So we have cooked for a minute, and here's our gravy. Potato stuffed gravy is ready, and we can serve it with some fresh Indian breads, लच्छा पराठा और फुल्का, which will pair well. तो अभी हमारा पोटैटो स्टफ ग्रेवी रेडी है, तो वी विल स्टार्ट प्लेटिंग इट. इट्स अ वेरी थिक ग्रेवी, तो ये ऐसे ही अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इसका ग्रेवी जो है बहुत रिच है. तो जब भी हम इसको बनाते हैं तो इसका बस कोटेड रहता है ग्रेवी, और ज़्यादा सॉसी नहीं रहता. इस ग्रेवी का यही एक खासियत है. एंड इसके साथ हमने एक नाइस क्रिस्प लच्छा पराठा बनाया है, एंड वी विल स्टार्ट serving it. And here's our fresh all new potato stuffed paneer gravy is ready. We will garnish it with some coriander, क्योंकि ये Indian food है. We will add with some green chilies.